Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper door hinge bushing in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a flat bed screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and some duct tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper door hinge bushing. There are two upper door hinge bushings used in this refrigerator. One is on the top of the refrigerator door and another one is on top of the freezer door. They function as bearings allowing the door to swing smoothly in both directions. The main reason why the upper door hinge bushing would need to be replaced is if it wears out, causing the door to move at the top, touching the other door. Now I'm at the top of the fridge and I'm going to secure the door with this duct tape before we remove the hinge. So this is the hinge we need to take off, and it's attached to the body with the two 5/16 screws. So using a 5/16 nut driver, I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to lift off the hinge. So this is the old upper door hinge bushing, and I'm going to use the flat bed screwdriver. I'm going to pry it up, go around. Now I'm going to bring these needle nose pliers and we're going to continue pulling it out. I'm going to break off everything else possible that's on the way, and I'm going to grab it and pull it out. This is the old upper door hinge bushing next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new bushing and it goes into this opening. And press it down. Next, the hinge goes in. Drop it in and match the holes. And I'm going to place two screws to secure the hinge. I'm going to use a 5/16" nut driver. And I'm going to drive those screws in and tighten it real good. Now I can remove the tape. If you'll need to replace the bushing on the freezer door, do it the same way we just did on the fresh food. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.